coming in, we are learning that the government is likely to table a proposal to suspend MPs who had created ruckus in the House during the monsoon session of Parliament. And let's cut across to Aishwarya Kapoor, who's reporting on this for more details. Good morning, Aishwarya. Give us more details of what the government's proposal is likely to suggest.
Well, the government plans this. Yes, the government has basically formulated this in the last session itself, but this time around. But the ironical situation stands right now that despite the Prime Minister's appeal, despite the Prime Minister giving out a message, we are seeing ruckus prevailing in the winter session as well. This action government is proposing against those MPs who had created ruckus in the previous session. That is during the monsoon session. But we are seeing the same scene. We are seeing a very, very similar scenario that despite the Prime Minister making it very clear, crystal clear, that they are going to repeal these 3 farm laws, we are seeing a ruckus in both the houses, not one. So the houses are not functioning. We are not going into how much money is being lost, what is the loss to the exchequer. But at the end of the day, all of these parliamentarians, irrespective of their party lines, need to think that if they need to protest, they can do it on Jantar Mantar. Or like these days, it's being randomly done on highways. But when you are in Parliament, you can discuss. That is a place where laws are being made and repealed both. So if the opposition, and for this matter, the combined opposition, will create such kind of ruckus on the floor of both the houses, then how will the House function? How will this country function? Because the government comes out and says that we are repealing all the 3 farm laws. Yes, the government does not want a debate on it. And the opposition wants a very structured debate on it. Because this is a time to make last brownie points, a last dig at the government as far as the farm bills are concerned. Because once these 3 farm laws are repealed, neither the opposition parties or nor to the leaders, to the likes of Rakesh Tikait, would be able to say that they do not trust the government, because the government is officially repealing them on the floor of the House. That's how a bill is made. That's how a bill is revoked. So that is the problem. Everyone wants to make a brownie point, because the opposition wants a very structured debate on the repealment of these 3 farm laws. And that is something which the government is not very comfortable with. Even according to our sources, even in that meeting with the Prime Minister and his top ministers, it was very clear that the government does not want to get into a debate on this. The government is very clear. Their mind is made up. Repealment of these 3 farm laws is happening, not only during the first week, but during the first or the second day maximum. But if the opposition is going to continue with the ruckus, then whether the action is taken on the MPs which were responsible for it during the monsoon session doesn't matter, because we are in today. So the ruckus is being created in winter session as well. So some consideration would have to be shown by these opposition MPs as well, because at the end of the day, all of them are lawmakers, and they need to understand that if they will act in such a inconsiderate manner, that the House will not be able to function on the first day of the winter session when these 3 farm bills need to be repealed. Half of the country, more than half of the country, is right now looking that when is this going to happen. And after the Prime Minister not only speaking few days prior and then announcing that the government is going to repeal, but also today on the first day, as he always does, of a Parliament session, he came out and he said it. So the opposition is very busy, or it is really craving for those brownie points. Because if there is a debate, then it's not going to happen in a day or 2. It is going to take minimal of 2 to 3 days, and that is something which the government does not want to spend time upon this. The government is clear. They say there is no point of a debate. When we have made up our minds, there's these 3 farm laws are going to be repealed. And the reason for that, the Prime Minister himself has explained not only to the Parliament, but to the people of this country en masse. And hence, they say that there is no need of a debate. Let's talk on issues on which there is a division of thought. On the repealment of the 3 farm laws, the government and the opposition stand firm and together that they need to be taken back. The reasons may be different, because the government is still saying that this was not a wrong bill. This was not an anti-farmer bill. This was not against the small and the middle-level farmers of India, while the opposition still claims so. But the end result is same, that these 3 farm laws are being repealed. And that is what matters to the farmers of this country right now.